Imagine completing your prison sentence, ready to step back into society and rebuild your life. There is a path for many people that involves a critical period of supervised releases designed to help you succeed. What is this next phase, and how long does it typically last? Parole conditions generally last for the specific period set by the parole board at the time of your releases from prison. This duration is not fixed for everyone. It can vary significantly based on your original sentence, the nature of your offense, and the specific laws of the state where you were convicted. The length of your parole is determined by several important factors. First, the severity of the original crime and the length of your prison sentence play a big role. More serious offenses often come with longer parole terms. Second, state statutes outline general guidelines for parole duration, and these laws differ widely from one state to another. Third, the parole board has the authority to set the exact term, often taking into account your behavior while incarcerated and your perceived readiness for reintegration. Furthermore, your conduct while on parole can directly influence the timeline. Demonstrating consistent good behavior and compliance can sometimes lead to an early discharge, while violations could result in an extension of the parole period or even reincarceration. To find out the precise duration of your parole, the most effective steps are to consult directly with your assigned parole officer. They are your primary resource for all conditions and timelines. You should also carefully review all the official documents provided at your releases, especially your parole agreement. These documents detail your specific terms and the end date of your supervision, often listing your maximum expiration date. If there is any ambiguity, your parole officer can clarify the path to successful completion. It is important to understand that parole is not simply a countdown but an opportunity. Many states offer what is called an early discharge or early termination of parole for individuals who consistently meet all requirements, maintain employment, avoid new offenses, and demonstrate a commitment to rehabilitation. This means you could potentially be released from supervision sooner than originally scheduled. Conversely, failing to adhere to the conditions can lead to an extension of your parole, making your journey longer. Ultimately, the duration of parole is a dynamic period focused on your successful transition back into the community. By understanding the factors that influence your term, diligently following your conditions, and proactively communicating with your parole officer, you can navigate this phase effectively and work towards regaining your full independence and freedom.